Well, Nex-Tech Wireless is a premier rural wireless provider covering approximately 40 counties in western Kansas and eastern Colorado. We provide nationwide service through strategic partnerships and provide our customers the best possible experience, whether they're here in western Kansas or they're traveling nationwide. Our story is somewhat unique. We're a greenfield build. We started our company a short 5.5 years ago. We launched October 15th of 2005. And what a ride it's been. It's been an exciting journey. Our company was founded on building a good quality cellular company, a wireless company in western Kansas to fill two voids. Our first void was to fill the coverage void that was left wide open by the incumbent carriers at that point in time, incumbent wireless carriers at that point in time, but also to fill a customer service void. You know, the incumbent wireless carriers at the time just did not provide a good quality product, nor did they not back it up with a good quality customer service experience. So with our deep roots in telecommunications in the western Kansas area, through our ownership, we're able to fill those voids and exceed those voids, and that's evident by our churn rate and our customer satisfaction surveys, that we're doing something right, and customers applaud our efforts and continue to be our customers, and we continue to gain customers by double-digit growth over the last few years. So it's been a great journey. Yeah. You know, from the get-go, we strategically built cell sites in a lot of areas that was ignored, or it has been ignored by other wireless providers. We focused on most towns that are 300 people or more in population, because we understand that some of the first responders, and we're a big agricultural-based economy out here. They need cell phone service out on the county line roads, out in the fields. A lot of times when disasters happen, the first responders need some way to connect back to the hospitals and the emergency response systems. So we understand the importance of that, and we really designed our network from the get-go back in 2005 to fill that need. It's definitely a niche for us. We do a great job on that, and we hear that every day from farmers and from first responders, from the oil industry. They really do appreciate us coming to their cry and filling that need for them. Premier 3G network currently, which is the same that a lot of urban customers experience. We're making plans for 4G, our 4G path. So we want to make sure that rural communities are not left out in the cold and get the same experience and same opportunity as people in urban areas experience, from a high-speed mobile data network to a quality voice network. We're always not necessarily on the cutting edge or the bleeding edge, but we're definitely fast followers to bring this technology out to rural Kansas. Our demographics in rural Kansas, western Kansas, are the late 40s, early 50s demographics. Because of that demographics, they're a little slower to adopt, as based on the national trends that we're seeing from some of our peers in the Tier 2 arena, Tier 1 arena. But typically in a Tier 3 environment, a rural regional wireless environment, they're a little slower to adopt. So we're seeing an uptake on our smartphones, our air cards, our little MiFi mobile hotspots that we sell. We're seeing more interest on that, just based on the demographics are just a little slower to adopt, but they definitely see the value of it based on our trends that we're seeing in the business, that we're seeing an uptick every month of our data traffic increasing, but also our data products increasing as well.